हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम नंदिनी नायक फ्रॉम स्टैंडर्ड 10th। मैंने यहाँ पर अपना एक्सपीरियंस बहुत मेरा अच्छा रहा। यहाँ पर टीचर्स भी बहुत अच्छे से गाइड करते हैं एंड आई वुड स्पेशली थैंक माय मदर who have guided me and supported me, and teachers who have taught me throughout the year. They have explained the concepts in such a manner that it would be easy for us to learn and understand. uh, we should work hard, and in ninth standard I got 74 percentage, and in 10th I got 89. uh, I have worked hard. Many students think that if we'll not study, then we'll get the percentage easily in 10th, but it's not like that. We have to work hard, and we have to work hard for to score percentage. It is not so easy to score it. We have to work hard for that, and I am happy that I got 89 percentage in 10th. Thank you.